So I have here a slide that's demonstrating a ladder or a staircase. And as price is going up, we as traders were thinking, all right, where can I sell it? Right? That's what we think. And then as the price moves a little bit higher, we're still thinking, okay, price is moving higher. Where's my opportunity to sell it? Right? And then the third part here of the staircase or ladder, you're thinking, wow, the price went even higher and I'm not following the price. I could have got in here at the beginning of the move. But instead, what we're doing is we're thinking about, where is this price going to end? Where's the top? Where can I sell it? All these things. Instead of thinking why I should be entering this market, the market is moving higher, that's the reason why you should be entering. Instead, we're thinking, where am I going to enter at the top, or where am I going to sell it? Okay? So this is how we think as traders. We never see an actual move occurring and jump on it. Instead, we see a move that has already occurred, and we're thinking about entering at late, where it's already at the high of the move, or we're thinking about selling it the whole way up. So what are you going to do when you trade? Okay, what are you going to do? Well, will you buy the market if it's too high, if you think it's too late? Well, traders normally don't enter the market because they think it's too high, right? Market started moving up. Here's today's chart again. And you can see the market started moving higher, higher and higher and higher. And we as traders were thinking, wow, this is too high. Oh, I lost a move. Or, I'm never going to get in now. It's going to turn around. Right? It's moving higher and higher. And we're thinking, wow, the market is moving higher and higher. So you see the market moving higher, and you are screaming, your gut's screaming, I missed the move. I should have got in when I saw it started its move up. Right? And finally, you see it go up and go up, and you said, you know what? I'm going to enter. I'm entering now. And guess what? You entered at the highest point of the day or of the time frame, and you lost out on the entire move because you refused to follow the price. Okay? So I know that most of you here don't do any of this, right? But I know that some of us look at this and have this experience of looking at the price and actually not going with it, and seeing it go higher and higher, lower and lower, and not entering long or short. And then when the move is over, we're thinking, all right, now is my chance, and it goes against us. So if the market's telling you something, I want you guys to listen to it. I want you guys to listen to it. Okay, it's because that's important. If it's telling you it's going up, it's going down, watch it, trade it. So where does this leave us as traders, right? As traders, we wait too long, we enter late, we miss trades, we get out too late. And we do all this because we refuse to follow what the actual price is doing. I always say, let price show you, not an indicator. And I want you guys to trust what the price is doing, not what you hope will happen. If you hope price is going to go to your profit target, and it doesn't, hope didn't push that price up or down. I want you guys to instead follow the price and say to yourselves, I know price is going to move up or down, and I'm going to let price prove it. So always let the price prove to you where it's going, and then jump on it. So today's trades, how we did in the market today. So really what I teach goes beyond courses or trading rooms or chat rooms or even follow me trading rooms where you guys just follow each and every one of my trades. I want you guys to understand that you should have some type of blueprint and know what you're doing, not just say, he said go long, so I'm going long. Understand why. Have a reason. Everything that I do is a reason. There's a reason to what I do, not just because it's a full moon. Have a reason and understand that reason as well. I'm going long because of this. Everything is exact, always exact with prices. Not it's a general term or it's gray. It's always got to be black and white when you trade. It can't be a gray area, or it looks like, or seems like. No. It's either that's the price, that's the exact price, no ballpark figures. We enter or we exit based on those reasons. So today, let's take a look at today. This is the Atlas line, September 2nd, 2010. And having a reason will keep you out of a lot of trouble, because you have a reason here not to go short. This blue line here with these yellow arrows that say Atlas line, this is the Atlas line right there. And this is telling me that price is above the Atlas line. So really what that means to me is that I want to maintain and be long. The order that you see here, double bar long, 1083.75, is the actual order that was given today to go long. Now whether you take 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, I always take or try to take 2 points based on the ATR, which is the average true range. Okay? So if any of you attempted to pick the tops here in the market, or short the market, or do anything that suggested going short, I'm not sure that you would have done very well unless you picked them exactly at the exact highs. But if you maintain yourself with a long position, or trading only long, or scalping long, everything long above the Atlas line as the rules dictate, you would have done very well. So have a reason to go long, have a reason to go short, and the Atlas line kept us long the entire day. There was no reason for us to take a short trade here. Price maintained itself above the Atlas line, we stay long. So a lot of people say, well, that's great, you showed me today was an all up day, or was a trending day, and sure, anything could have happened. Well, let me show you yesterday. We have here yesterday, and yesterday, September 1st, we had another great day on the Atlas line. Here is the Atlas line here in blue. You can make it any color you want, dashes, dots. I have everything integrated for customization for the user. And this Atlas line is telling me again, don't take any short trades, right? So right before the big news event that occurred, price was above the Atlas line. It actually gave us a long entry right before the news event, 1065.75. Again, exact figures to enter the market. So price popped up, and for the rest of the day it maintained itself above the Atlas line. So I'm not saying take 3 points, 6 points, 10 points. Take a piece of the pie. There's lots there, lots of action there to get. Then we come here to the end of the day here, which I think it's too late to trade here at about 4 o'clock. Bounce long, double bar long, bounce long. All these orders telling us to go long again based on bouncing off the Atlas line. And these are exact orders that are provided to you based on the Atlas line. Okay? Bill, the double bar long is 2 or more consecutive bars, Bill, that are traded above the Atlas line. Jesus asks the question here, is the Atlas line work for currencies? Yes, and I actually have a Euro chart coming up so you can see it. Okay? It works on every market, and there are no parameters at all to configure. Okay? So this was yesterday. So I showed you today, I showed you yesterday, right? Maybe that's not enough. I have here 3 days in a row, August 31st. We have here a short given in the beginning of the day. It's good for 2 points right there. 1046 quarter, bounce trade. Major 2 points. Usually I go for 2 points on each one of these trades unless the price is dictating otherwise. Okay? We have here, as soon as price broke above the Atlas line, look what happened.